holiday season is on, no doubt. A lot of folks are going to be buying high-tech products for their kids. And this morning, Dr. Doug is back with us, showcasing some educational technology. Dr. Doug, great to have you with us.
Pleasure to be back.
All right, one of the products that you're really excited about is this. It's called the Forbrain.
Yes.
So talk about the technology behind it and how it works.
Yeah, it's interesting because Forbrain is a piece of technology that's very useful on enhancing speech and language acquisition. Now, Forbrain has some few parts to it that I can show here. It has 3 different parts. It has a microphone here. It has these bone conduction membranes and has a dynamic filter. So it's a unique piece of technology that amplifies specific patterns of the voice and frequencies of the voice, which are very important when you're speaking, Erica, because when you're speaking, you have to pay attention to what you're saying if you wish to better learn and communicate. So how this works is simply you put this around like this, and then you put it on this way. And when you speak into it, the sound of your voice actually gets redirected to your brain via these bone conduction transducers. And what that means is bone conduction simply means the vibration of your cranium bones. So it happens 10 times faster and it's more efficient than air conduction like I'm speaking to you right now. So it's really an excellent product. It has volume control levels on it here. It has different things where when you speak into it, you get this direct feedback. So it helps all kinds of people from public speakers with their pronunciation, helps people with learning disabilities, with memory issues, with speech, and it also can help musicians too. When you're singing, you can actually hear yourself and get on pitch faster as well. The elderly can benefit from this too, and it helps with the memory. So you're getting this direct feedback and improves muscle memory. So really, it's a great product for people from all ages, from really young to old. And you're saying young kids who are just starting to learn to talk, it can help them as far as increasing their vocabulary and understanding of how to phrase words, how to say them, how to pronounce them. That's the key right there, because there's different parts of the word, phonemes they call them. So once kids are able to better understand vocabulary and understand speech and sound discrimination, it can certainly benefit them at a very young age. And I think it's a very useful tool. And I think it looks kind of cool too. It's like you're flying here. You're exactly. Yeah. Actually, another thing that's really cool, you have a special giveaway happening right now. Yes. On your website. Right. If viewers want to get in on, how is it going to work? Yeah, so if you go to my Facebook page, Dr. Douglas Haddad, we're doing a giveaway for each of these products, the Forbrain product and the LiveScribe product. So the giveaway ends actually on Cyber Monday for Forbrain and ends December 11th for LiveScribe. And there's certainly a lot more information you can find about on forbrain.com, literally for your brain. No, exactly. And livescribe.com. Now, I have to imagine that you see a big shift heading towards technology when you're talking about education, all aspects. Right. Yeah, there is really a big shift, and I think what's important really too is you want to look at the educational aspect of technology. I know on Black Friday today, there's a lot of excitement for technology. We think of the Xbox coming out. There's pros and cons to that, video gaming. But when we get to this aspect of things, this is really educational and beneficial in all ways. Now, we have to ask you before we go, we just have about a minute left. Sure. Do you see any cons? We're talking about the pros and cons. Do you see any cons to all this technology for young kids? Well, I think, because I know some parents are old school and they like to do it, read an actual book, write on the paper. Right. But this is a great learning tool, and it really helps get them excited, right? It really does. That's the thing. It keeps motivation levels high. It actually improves a lot of self-confidence. When a kid knows that they're able to speak better, I would say go for it. When they're able to write kids with, say, dysgraphia or whatever the case would be, then it would be very beneficial. All right, Dr. Doug, thanks so much. Great to have you with us once again. And we're leaving you a little early this morning to make room for Holiday Wishes, hosted by Sarah Cody and Jim Altman, featuring the best this holiday season has to offer. We'll see you back here Monday morning. Have a great weekend.